Universal Pack over the past 50 years has established itself as a widely recognized name brand in the single-dose packaging world, specializing in the design and production of customized machines for the packaging of four-side seal sachets and stick packs. Universal Pack is a leading manufacturer of complete turnkey solutions for primary and secondary packaging. This position was achieved thanks to the ability to understand customers and their needs, but also thanks to continued investment in research and development, packaging know-how, and the creation of product research strategies that make development and continuous improvement our business's main goal.
Universal Pack, it's our responsibility to understand our partners and offer them support in understanding the global packaging requirements. For this reason, our sales team works in conjunction with our R&D and project management departments. As a result, Universal Pack is able to use all the combined know-how and knowledge to offer our partners the winning turnkey solution. We study the best solution for our customer. We have the capability to foresee, monitor, analyze the machine's efficiency for every single product and their individual characteristics. Thanks to a sales network spread worldwide, we can constantly monitor our customers' latest developments in order to actively support them through product and machine development.
Universal Pack's mission and passion is to design and produce highly reliable and efficient packaging systems for any type of product. Free-flowing or not, dusty, granular, liquid or viscous.
أقسام تصميم الميكانيك، الكهرباء والبرمجة تعمل في تناغم لوضع حلول تستجيب لمتطلبات الزبون. الكفاءة والتطور المستمرين ميزة تنفرد بها آلاتنا عالميا.
Unsere Flexibilität in Entwicklung und Forschung erlaubt uns auch während einem laufenden Projekt Änderungen vorzunehmen. Außerdem wird jeder Kunde akkurat verfolgt in Hinsicht auf die Wahl moderner Hardware-Technologien.
Every single component mounted on Universal Pack machines is subjected to strict and precise testing by our product quality department. Universal Pack staff personally checks and guarantees the quality of the materials used for every single component, ensuring a rapid supply of internally produced spare parts.
Universal Pack da oltre 50 anni produce componenti delle proprie macchine nella propria officina meccanica, investendo in macchinari per la lavorazione e di controllo qualità della materia prima di massima precisione, garantendo il completo controllo della qualità di ogni particolare componente delle nostre macchine.
Universal Pack prides itself on its long and unique experience, knowing that success isn't a standardized formula. Universal Pack produces every single machine based on customer specifications, designing the entire customized packaging system from primary to secondary packaging, and building every part to reflect the characteristics of the product to be packaged, and in accordance with the principles of lean manufacturing. As a result, each machine is the embodiment of a complete certified production process for each product sector, whether it be food, pharmaceutical, chemical, or cosmetics.
Pour Universal Pack, la sécurité et la qualité sont fondamentales. Toutes les machines que nous produisons sont marquées CE. Elles respectent les plus rigoureuses normes européennes et sont prêtes pour la certification ULM.
Natuurlijk zijn de procedures voor de veiligheid en de kwaliteit ruim vatbaar en af te leiden van belangrijke personeelsverplichtingen voor de certificaten OSAS 18001 en ISO 9001. Om op lange termijn aan deze eisen te kunnen voldoen, wordt het personeel steeds gevormd en op de hoogte gebracht van de laatste ontwikkelingen omtrent deze normen. Het ontwerpen en construeren van de machines naar norm betekent voor onze cliënten de garantie te hebben over de veiligheid en de kwaliteit van het product.
dedication and know-how are the main ingredients behind Universal Pack's success in creating new and unique customized machines and configurations for high-end productivity. And thanks to the customer support service, these are kept highly efficient over time.
Depuis 1974, nous disposons d'une documentation détaillée de chaque machine fournie à nos partenaires. Nos clients peuvent se mettre en contact direct avec nos techniciens par téléphone, email ou par un système sophistiqué de téléassistance.
Selain itu, kami juga boleh mengaturkan servis ke tempat anda dengan menghantar juru teknik antarabangsa kami. Ini adalah untuk memastikan kami menyediakan bantuan secara menyeluruh, maksudnya 360 darjah, dan lengkap bagi perkhidmatan selepas jualan kami. Gudang kami mempunyai 80,000 stok alat ganti berkod yang sedia ada untuk penghantaran secara berkesan dan teratur. Jadi, bekalan alat ganti tersebut boleh dihantar dengan segera dan berterusan.
Know-how and passion for continuous improvement make any ambitious goal possible, enabling Universal Pack to design and manufacture highly precise, efficient, and unique packaging solutions to meet any customer requirement every single day.